Are you having fantasies of burning everything to the ground? Do you feel as if the only thing that makes you happy is spreading hellfire and then dance in the ashes of wretched plebeians that dare to oppose you? Do you long for riding your dragon as an instrument of doom, so the world can be your idea of heaven? If your answer to any of these questions is yes, then this is seriously problematic. Please stop. Arson is a crime. Visit a psychiatrist. Also, dragons do not exist. You should not be burning things apart from your cigarette and fireplace. But in fantasy, everything is possible. Since you can't cast fireball, you can use the fantasy lighters of the pyromaniac party. Debuted from the song A Demon Walks Into a Bar. Lighterella the Demon, Mastourosan the Wizard, Catergari the Goblin, Vloga the Wolf, Siegfried the Dragon. All lighters are refillable, of fantastic quality. Don't miss their Kickstarter.